everyone, tonight we're going to make some chewy oatmeal raisin cookies that will surely be a crowd pleaser for all. Before we get started, we'll need a few things: an electric mixer, egg, butter, granulated sugar, dark brown sugar, rolled oats, raisins, flour, baking soda, salt, and vanilla extract. You'll also need a scooper, a whisk, baking tray with some parchment paper, and a bowl. Okay, let's get started. We'll begin with our dry ingredients. We'll add in our oatmeal, our raisins, flour, salt, and baking soda. Now we'll cream our butter, sugars, egg, and vanilla extract. We'll add in our butter into our electric mixer, and we'll turn the electric mixer on to medium-high. We'll cream the butter until it becomes very creamy. Now we'll add in our brown sugar, our granulated sugar. We'll let that go until everything is evenly incorporated. Now we'll turn down the mixer onto low speed and add in our egg and vanilla extract. We'll turn off the mixer and open the handle. Now we'll scrape down all the edges. Remove the attachment. We can remove the bowl. Next, we'll add in the dry ingredients into the wet ones. With our whisk, we're going to make sure that we evenly incorporate all of the ingredients in the mixing bowl. Once all of our ingredients have been mixed in, we'll go ahead and make sure that we give it one last mix. With a small ice cream scoop, we're going to take a little bit of the dough and put it onto our baking sheet. We'll put this in the oven at 350 degrees and bake for 12 to 16 minutes. After 12 minutes of baking, our chewy oatmeal cookies are ready. I wish you guys could smell these. Hope you enjoyed making these as much as I did.